Well, one possible challenger to President Obama in 2012 has his own health care credentials. Republican Mitt Romney instituted a reform plan as Massachusetts governor that did not involve a government option. As chief political correspondent Carl Cameron reports, Mr. Romney has big problems with President Obama's strategy.
At the unveiling of his official portrait at the State House in Boston, ex-Massachusetts governor and Republican White House hopeful Mitt Romney proudly noted having implemented the nation's only statewide health care system more than 3 years ago.
If you really look carefully, down there's a piece of legislation, and that's the health care bill.
Based on his groundbreaking experience in Massachusetts, Romney's pushing hard against Democratic health care reform proposals in Washington.
The president's plan makes an enormous error by saying we're going to put government in the insurance business. We got everybody in Massachusetts insured, and we did it without putting government into the insurance business. We said instead we're going to help people get private, free enterprise kind of insurance they can buy from a number of different companies,
including nonprofits. In an interview with Fox, Romney denounced the Democrats' approach as pitting a costly government health care bureaucracy against private insurance companies.
Putting government in the health insurance business without question means ongoing subsidies at massive cost, trillion-plus dollars, and ultimately squeezing out the private market and having government manage health care, which of course is what the president said he wanted to do when he was campaigning. He wanted to put in place a single-payer system.
A new book due next year will not be about his '08 campaign, but new issues and solutions for the future. As a successful businessman, his political stock is rising during the recession as key issues play to his strengths. Overall, Romney's favorable rating is up 10 points since leaving the presidential race last year. His negatives have dropped 16 points. Among independents, he's taken a 29 to 46% unfavorable situation and reversed it to favorable. And among Republicans, Alaska Governor Sarah Palin is viewed most favorably at 73%. Romney is second with 57. He's quietly maintained a national organization and, despite spending $40 million in his last campaign, has not ruled out using his personal wealth next time.
I don't think you ever look forward to spending your own money in a campaign. So I would never imagine wanting to have to do that. But as to whether or not I would do it again, that's in the future.
He's by far the most candid about his desire to run again.
I've always got fire. Whether people are heated by it or not, that's another matter.
And the political prospects of two of Romney's potential Republican White House rivals have darkened considerably in recent weeks. Nevada U.S. Senator John Ensign and South Carolina Governor Mark Sanford have both acknowledged messy extramarital affairs. Romney says those are issues best left for the candidate, his family, and his constituents, but that public officials have to keep a higher standard. Megan?
Carl, meantime.